Forex market situation update. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. It's Tuesday today, and I think you're gonna like today. We're gonna have two interesting case studies. As always, our case studies are backed up with positions usually, right, or with strong convictions at the very least. But in this time, we're gonna link these two because they're in the same correlation group. I'm talking about the pound versus the Canadian and the euro versus the Canadian, which we're going to talk about in the next video. But here is a case where we had a lot of success. Right off the bat, we managed to call out a turnaround, right? Because we're tipping point hunters, so to speak. So we were able to chase this turnaround, and we landed a few shots. Price went down. 72.40 was our target, was our primary target, which was nailed yesterday. So some of the position was out during this key level being tagged, right? Because we had, a take profit at that point. But we also threw one more trade just yesterday. I believe it was yesterday. Maybe it was on Friday morning. But anyway, we threw it in one more trade, which this time we decided to use a price extension for 71.22. So you can see the target on this one. It's right there. Right, 71.22 to the spot. Alright, so that's why this position is still alive. In fact, we're going to re-increase the position again. Alright, because price was not impressed by 72.40 yesterday, right? Sliced right through and managed to close below that level. Now, on the larger scale, we expect price to go to 71.22 at the very least. In fact, we expect price to go to 70.20 and even beyond. But 70.20, we're going to call 70.20 our final destination here. 71.22, that's a bunker. All right, so that's why from the long-term perspective, price is still coming from a long downside trend, which we believe had a bit of a technical correction over the past couple of weeks with that big spike, testing 75.84 swiftly and bouncing back down equally intense on the way down, by the way. Now turning around, I think it's resuming the original downside trend here, right? But we're breaking this down into separate steps. Right? So first step was hitting 72.40. Now we're taking it to the next step, trying to hit 71.22, and who knows, we might decide to go beyond, and aim for 70.20 as the third step, so to speak. All right, so for now, we're going to do this, right? We're going to throw in one more trade, basically re-increasing the position, and we're going to adjust the stop loss level. Right now, 74.50. We're going to drop that by 50 pip to 74. And if price will show, if it will continue to push downwards according to plan, then we'll continue to adjust the stop loss level accordingly, and we're going to jump over 73.83 here. If price will show that negativity that we need to see here. So that's the pound Canadian, right? And like I said, had success here right from the get-go. That's not something I can say about the other one, the Euro Canadian. So in the next one, we're going to talk about that. Stay tuned.